In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from Redmi to Redmi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have two Redmi devices, there are various different ways to transfer data between them. In this video, I want to showcase what I believe is the most convenient one by using the Mi Mover app. So as you can clearly tell by the name, it was developed by Xiaomi or Redmi, and it allows you to move files between Xiaomi devices. So you can download this file on the Google Play Store. I recommend downloading it for both devices, even though you should be able to initiate the transfer with only a specific one. So once you have Mi Mover from Xiaomi Inc. downloaded, you will be able to open it. Now in here, you will have two options. You have old and new. So if you tap this first one, old, it allows you to send items from the old device, so you will be sending. And if you tap here on new, it will allow you to receive items that are being sent. So choose either option depending on where you downloaded the app first. Once you choose this, it is going to search for a device. So if you tap on the option old, it is going to search for a new device to send stuff from the old device into the new one, or vice versa. So just choose the appropriate version and follow the instructions. If the device does not appear on this list, so you wait here for a long time and the Xiaomi device doesn't appear, don't worry, just tap the option here, connect to the new device manually, and scan a QR code or connect to the appropriate network. This will allow you to have both devices synchronized and connected together. After the initial connection process is done, you can choose what you want to transfer, so images, messages, contacts, audio, videos, documents, system app data, third-party apps, and so on. Once you have everything selected, by ticking the options here at the right side of the screen, tap Send and wait for the process to be done. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.